Manaus was born in the shadow of Fort of São José do Rio Negro, built by the Portuguese in 1669. Lugar da Barra was a primitive colonial village that developed along with Porto Real, the anchor of Amazon economy in that distant era. From the time of the emperor, Manaus Harbor was the stage of some remarkable facts in the history of Brazil and the Amazon region. At the end of 19th century, the intense traffic of passengers and cargo required by the rubber boom business, it became evident that the construction of a new port to receive the huge steamships was a necessity. Thus began the construction of Manaus Harbor in 1902. Concepts developed by the English engineering team from the Porto de Manaus Harbor Limited Company were created to face river oscillation and to avoid heavy traffic at the new landed area. The port in turn became an important icon of the Amazonian ingenuity and became part of the lifestyle of the city of Manaus. At the beginning of 60s, the English left Manaus and the Porto de Manaus Harbor went through a regrettable period of disarray and degradation. A list of various professionals were involved at the beginning of the revitalizing project. A team of engineers, architects, sociologists and economists have elaborated works such as field research, market research, several indexes were studied, as well as the Municipal and the National Institute of Artistic and Historic Heritage Regulation. Privatization is showing already the first steps of the whole concept. The Amazon River Station at the regional passenger terminal, totally climatized with food court and many other services to give dignity back to local people, including buses properly equipped to help handicapped persons. The new regional passenger terminal offers luggage cart, air conditioning buses, embarking lounge with telephone facilities and restroom, as well as any other airport in the world. Security and information personnel always prepared to help. Ticketing technology to avoid overloading at regional boats. And you can see all that working at the private port of Manaus. Private port of Manaus is also covering future needs, such as the revitalization of the Booth Line complex, which will shelter foreign language courses and a tourism university, generating new jobs opportunities, at the same time preserving one of the most beautiful places' architectural memory. At the future Muiraquitan Theatre, with capacity for 420 seats, we will allow to spread the local culture during the presentation of a unique spectacle as Journey to the Amazon. Our main goal is to integrate the private port of Manaus with a historical center, opening its gate to the city and its people. The privatization is also providing the restoration of the Port Museum, where each item shows a piece of our history. It's recovering the city's history and memory. Along with the privatization process, the Port of Manaus was enlarged and modernized, mainly cargo operation, generating more than 1,000 first-hand jobs. Today, the private port of Manaus is the largest floating port of the world, with productive indexes enviable related to the international market.
Vem conhecer minha terra, meu lugar. Vem ver meu povo a cantar. Minha Manaus está em festa. sei que você vai gostar. Vem aprender que esta terra tem de tudo. Tem cabocla mais faceira, açaí, pacu na beira desse lindo rio-mar, porto de Manaus. Hoje eu conto a tua história, que não sai mais da memória de quem sempre vai te amar. Meu povo.
Now, with new facilities, the private port of Manaus is bringing several international cruise ships. This season, we have received over 30 ships, and within 4 years, we will be prepared to receive about 150 cruise ships yearly. As each cruise ship tourist statistically spends about $500 in tours and purchases, we will be adding $160 million, which means around 500 million reais, generating 30,000 direct and non-directly jobs and occupations. This is a remarkable fact to the private port of Manaus, as well as to the Amazonian economy.
Sei que você vai gostar. Vem aprender que esta terra tem de tudo. Tem cabocla mais faceira, açaí, pacu na beira deste lindo rio-mar, porto de Manaus. Hoje eu conto a tua história, que não sai mais da memória de quem sempre vai te amar. Meu povo, que tanto ama este lugar. Meu porto, nosso Senhor abençoa. Meu povo, que tanto ama este lugar. Meu porto, nosso Senhor abençoa.